Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. So right now I'm here on the streets of Puduraya, my bad, in Malaysia right now. So yeah, it's just a free flow of vlog. I'm really not thinking, or I don't have anything specific in mind. It's just like we just go with the flow, and whatever we see we just capture it, right? And I'm also planning to get some food for me, as it's too I'd say not early, but at the same time it's not too late for lunch as well. So let's try to get some brunch and fill my tummy, right? So yeah, this is the locality where I'm staying right now, next to Berjaya Square Mall. So yeah, let's just walk through and see what we have in here. And I'm sure you would have seen the same exact location, same place in my vlog back in the day, right? So that is Berjaya Square Mall. They have a university as well, and that's my favorite restaurant in here, that is Sahara Desert, which is too good, guys. If you are in Malaysia, you definitely got to try that spot. And you do have multiple branches of this, so it's not necessary that you have to come to this particular locality to get this, right? So yeah, sorry, it's not Sahara Desert, it's Sahara Tent, my bad. So yeah, this is the one. It's the best Arabian food that you can get. I guess it says opening soon. Oh, I think this is more this side, but yeah. And one thing about Malaysia, guys, you gotta pay a little bit more penny at 7-Eleven. It's slightly expensive than the other local marts here, so you gotta keep that in mind. Guys, I took a quick stop to get some protein intake done. So yeah, 30-gram whole protein. There's no added protein powder in this. Yeah, if you're a gym freak, when you travel to stay fit, yeah, you gotta get these bad boys. Together I got it for $5.36. It is expensive because I think it's imported from Australia, that's why it is 425 ml. So yeah, with the view of Berjaya Times Square. Yeah, I got this from 7-Eleven. To eat the best, you know, burger slash chicken here. It is Jollibee. It's kind of famous in Philippines, but you know, you have it in most of the countries. So yeah, I'll probably get back to you all later after having this. So guys, now we are heading to Berjaya Square Mall. It's over there, so I'm taking the you know, escalator right here. That's the 7-Eleven where I got my proteins. And there you go. It's damn hot, guys. It's what, 10:53, and it's freaking hot here. So guys, this is the mall. Samsung. Guys, so that's the main entrance of the mall. There's some festival going on.
I'm in Times Square now. I want to start what for?
Guys, these are the big cute stuff that they have. Tiger. So this is, I think it's a Asian thing, because any mall that you go in any of the South Asian countries, right, you do have this sort of exhibition here. There's Mixu right there, up on the top floor, which is second. All Halloween themed actually. Awesome. That's some sports shop right there. special it is actually. 62. Interesting. 62 is a lot actually. So that's what they have here. I kind of, or rather I found this mall to be too little basic when you have seen other spots. Again, it depends what you're actually coming here for, right? Oh, it's actually good. 100 for 3 items. That's not bad. Have some cool stuff here. This is also a pretty decent place. I've been here multiple times. There's panda eyes. Then if you want to go to that exhibition thingy that you have seen, you have to go even further down. Oh, there's some happening here, Diwali. I remember last time also, I came during Diwali time here. Nice. And yeah, they do celebrate Diwali here, guys. We're almost there. I don't know if I should even go here. Not sure if it's worth it. Guys, I'm keeping this vlog more like a walk through, right? So nothing specific in detail that I'm actually talking through, but rather letting you guys see what we have here in this mall. I hope I don't get copyright for this music out here. Toy stuff again. I was just actually checking the price of, that t-shirt. It is 140 ringgit. Okay, this is what we have here, and everything is like 50-60 ringgit. That's a bomb money, right? There's Saint Laurent glasses. Oh, they have Mr. DIY here. Oh, they have Nando's. I see this crazy sports car right here. It's dope, right? Yeah, so this is where the big shots actually park in Berjaya Square now. So guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I know it's in a weird angle, but then I really appreciate everyone for staying together with me and I really appreciate the support that I've got. I know it's very less subscriber that we have, but still thank you so much. And I really hope you found this video interesting. It was just walking tour of the Berjaya Square Mall. There's nothing much fancier or even cheaper stuff to buy per se. Usually seeing my vlog, I kind of go to the hidden gem and kind of help you guys to get stuff for cheap, right? But I think this is more like a mediocre mall. Yeah, it's worth it if you want to kill some time, because most of the places here you got enter the hotel or check in around 2 p.m. so you can kind of use this spot to kind of kill some time and get some good snacks, right? So yeah, if you like the video, you all know, stay subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a thumbs up, guys. See you, bye bye.